all new working codes in the new Grow a Garden update. I'll be showing you every single new code that you can actually redeem in Grow a Garden, and I'm very sad to say the Easter event is gone, so if you didn't get the Cotton Blossom, you're kinda GG's. You gotta GG's, because look at this beautiful Cotton Blossom. I got one of these, right? Let me see. One of these, golden. Okay, golden Cotton Blossom. Let's sell it, okay? Let's see how much are we gonna get. Bang! 3 million. 3 million. Exactly. So, if you guys want to have the new exotic pack for free, be sure to comment down below Jim. Jim the Angry Plant. Jim the Angry Plant. Look at Jim. Jim is actually mad. He's going mad. And look at all these crazy plants that you can actually get from the exotic pack. Pretty much, if you do want the exotic pack, be sure to comment down below Jim. Very simple, Jim. Just like this, Jim. But I'm gonna be showing you every single code in Grow a Garden, so be sure to guys like the video, subscribe, don't miss out on any of these codes to actually get all the crazy rewards in Grow a Garden. I also got all the Easter lollipops and the chocolate carrots right here. It's been struck down by lightning, so this is a lot of money. This is a lot of money, free money. And I also got a giant sunflower. Giant sunflower. I'm not gonna collect it. But first, redeem the codes, guys. So what you want to do is pretty much open up your chat. Open up your chat, and right here in the chat, type /redeem grow /redeem grow. That is the first code that you actually want to redeem in Grow a Garden. So be sure to actually redeem this code. There you have it. I literally just redeemed it. The next code is going to be /redeem summer 25. Summer 25. So that is the next code, okay? That is the next code in Grow a Garden, summer 25. There you have it, guys, summer 25. And we have another code /redeem update 3. So we do have an update 3 /redeem update 3. Like the video and subscribe.